What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the video. And today we're installing a new third brake light. My third brake light went out about, I would say, a month ago now. It didn't go out, it was causing an issue. It was like causing the brakes to stay on. I had to figure out why my brakes are staying on all the time when it should not be on while I'm driving, because you see I'm not pressing the brakes or whatever, and the brake lights are just on, so people wouldn't know if I'm braking or slowing down or anything, because it just looks like my brakes are on constantly, which it was. So I came down to the issue that, I came down to the problem, and it was the brake light, the one on the diffuser. So I'm going to change that out now. So I got to go over to Frank's house because everything I need is over there. So we made it to Frank's house, and I left the car aired up because we're about to jack the car up and take off the diffuser, because I have two screws on each end of it, because for some reason it was falling off, so I screwed it in. Alright, we got the light off, and now I'm gonna plug it in and let's see if the problem persists. I'm gonna actually point you guys at this tail light, because what will happen is as soon as I open my door, the tail lights will turn on. If I plug that in, then the brake light should turn on without me even having to be in the car and press the brakes. Actually, let me push you even where you can see me and the thing, so I can show you what I mean. I'm not even gonna press the brakes, and it's just gonna turn on. It didn't turn on. I plugged it in, you guys seen, and it didn't even turn on. So that means the light now does not work. So that leads to the hard part, which is taking off the diffuser, undoing the light, putting it back together. I mean, I've done it before, it's not that hard, but I just didn't want to do it, but it's whatever. Let's get it done. Ow, that hurt. Get a small socket. Zoom in for you guys. Look at that rust. That rust just doesn't want to come out, but we ain't gonna stop. We're gonna get it out. We broke it. We got it. Yeah. Just okay. Whew. I'm gonna slam this on the ground. This thing got me tight. I hate winter. So we're gonna reconfigure this just like how I had it here. So with everything lined up. Now with everything done, just gonna plug this guy in. This better work. Whew, I do not want to do this again. That was the most annoying thing. Let's turn it on. Let's go, it's on. It's on, hold on. It's on, look. Animation is back. It is on. Let's go. It is on. It is on. It is on. Finally. And the brake lights are not staying on. No more of this old broken thing. Stupid. dummy. Let's go. It's on. Let's go. I'm excited. Let's go. Whew. Now, if you guys have this diffuser, you should get that brake light. Now, with the configuration I have it as the running light is the animation, the brake light is, you know, is normal brake function, and then yeah, that's about it. There's really nothing to it. It's just 3 wires, which is black, red, and yellow. So one is for the brake light, one is for the running animation, you know, when the tail lights are on, and obviously the brake light function, or the negative ground, I should say. So now that this is all working, we're gonna put it back together and actually figure out what's going on with this reflector light, because that one's on and this one is off. But that's easy to fix. So let's fix this, or let's put this back together, get that working, and give you some night shots. Okay, so that'll be it for the 3rd brake light install in my car. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.